Hi, my name's John, and my wife and I just finished installing our Muzata slope post stair railing, and we have a straight post landing area upstairs, the 42-inch high for code for the stairs. And we have a 34-degree pitch here, and that's the ultimate reason we went with Muzata. I did extensive research and looked at a couple different companies online. U-Rail was one, Cable Bullet was another one, but we ended up going with Muzata because they were the only ones that had the slope posts for the stairs. And the entire process was amazing. I went through the custom shop and design. I sent them pictures, my dimensions. They came back with a 3D design of what it should look like. And then we ordered the product, and it was very reasonably priced. So very happy with Muzata. I would recommend them to anybody. This was a very big project for me just because I'm a weekend warrior, but overall, just to install the posts and the cables was about a day's work. Muzata sent everything that was needed, was not missing anything. In fact, ended up having some left over. I did end up going, as I mentioned, with the slope posts and also the fixed top post for the landing area. I ended up going with the black rope, I believe they call it, or black wire, or black cable rope. You've got your tensioners, you've got your fixed tensioners, and all the necessary tools to put that together with the stickers that go on after you install the cable. You've got all the screws to screw in the wood posts that we did that were custom, and then you've got the rubber gaskets or whatever you want to call it that goes in the middle post. And that way the cable doesn't, since it's a slope, it doesn't rub away at the metal. Hey Muzata, here's the final result. I had to redo the steps too. This was carpet and there was walls here that I had to blow out. Everything went together pretty well. The angled tensioning was a little tough, just to get the tensioning tool inside there at the proper angle. But so everything ended up pretty darn good. I'm pretty happy with it. So nice job. I used the your custom person, went back and forth on email, showed them a sketch of what I wanted, and they sent me the right kit. So very pleased. Thank you.